conducting this short-term courses or specific workshops on wines or cocktails or mixology. So last time IHM Faridabad conducted 1 month back almost a program on our webinar on single malt, and now this time we are conducting a program on mixology. And today we are very fortunate that we are having Mr. Sandy Verma. I think in India is the biggest brand himself, who is with us, and I'm grateful to him. For last 9 days, every day he was in different cities, whether one day he is in Bombay, one day he is in Goa, one day he is in Ahmedabad. Every day is in different. Only last night he came back to Gurgaon or Delhi, and today he is with us. So I'm very grateful to Sandy. And our association my association with Sandy goes back to 1989 when we were together in Hyde. So we cannot, as I always say, that we cannot afford Sandy for these kind of this almost free of cost program from his side, and we are able to get him because of his his affection for the imparting training. He himself is running the Bar Institute in Gurgaon, and right now is running a lot of online mixology program. So thank you, Mr. Sandy, for being with us, and thanks everybody. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. If your actions create a legacy that inspires others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more than what you are, then you are an excellent leader. We are lucky to work under such a versatile leader. And now I would like to invite Sir Shri M.D. Sinha IFS, Principal Secretary of Tourism, to kindly inaugurate the event on cocktail session.
Only because of the fact that if you look at the population demographics of the world, we are largely a very young population. And my generation was a very conservative generation from the financial point of view. The present generation is the younger generation, and they have a greater desire to experience life and get more and more experiences. And that is what hospitality is all about, that we have to keep changing along with the times. And one of the things that is happening is, of course, people are ready to spend more money and go and visit places, and at the places they need more and more experiences. So mixing of drinks, mixology, sommelier courses, and all these are courses that slowly are coming up in high demand. So it gives me a great pleasure to welcome Sandy, a renowned person in this field, and to share some of his skills. At the end of the day, we are all talking about skill enhancement, and these are skills that will help these youngsters, especially in getting a better kind of a deal when they go out in the field. So let me not take further time, and let's see the art of Sandy. Very good afternoon to all the participants who have joined us, and a warm welcome to Sandy for giving us his time, sparing us his valuable time, and to Mr. Shukla for organizing this. And I hope all of my IHMs do webinars and courses like this. If you look at the hospitality industry as a whole, and the industry itself,
That those who have joined, kindly mute yourself so that we can just continue smoothly. Thank you so much. So we greet with hi, hello, and good morning. Today we have someone who greets saying cheers. So for him, challenges are what makes life interesting, and overcoming them is what makes life meaningful. Presenting you a renowned sommelier, mixologist, Mr. Sandeep Verma, or Sandy. He is an alumni of IHM Goa and founder and CEO of Institute of Bar operations and management. He's a brainchild of so many popular setups in the hospitality industry. He has a star-studded profile who specializes in bar designing, bar and restaurant interiors, menu designing, bar management, consultancies, training soft and technical skills, human resource development, extreme flair bartending, theme, mega theme parties, sub-promotion launches like liquor, bar products, celebrity bartending, seminars, bar competition, and awards, and so many to add on. So we are really happy that your evening is booked with us, sir. Thank you so much. I would like to hand over the forum to you.
Hello everyone. I'm sorry my throat is gone. I'm under the weather. But I'll try to be as loud as possible. So my name is Sandy. Sandeep Verma, and people fondly call me Sandy. And today we'll be making some cocktails. My accolades have been done a lot. I just would like to share, like you guys watching me, one day I was a kid sitting in that class and we never had any webinars or seminars. So the technology has changed, the world is changing exponentially, the globalization has happened, and today we are in the industry where liquor is a part of socializing. And I would say not only liquor, even the beverages. So maybe chai, coffee, or soft beverages, or alcohol beverages. The details in the eye of the details is the devils of the game. When I say devils of the game, the more detailed you are, the more intriguing. What is bar? Or who's a bartender? Let me tell you something. Bartender is everybody's friend. He's a man who is equal to a CEO of any big corporation, and he earns equally that much. When I say equally that much, yes, any comfortable, smart bartender over the years or few years of branding can work and earn from 8 to 10 lakhs per month. So are you going to be that guy? Let's watch and see. But today I'm going to be making some interactive cocktails where I've got 3 types of liquor. I'm using Jim Beam, which is American bourbon, good hints of vanilla, well caramelized notes of maple. I'm using Beluga, a very neutral spirit vodka, hints of 10 botanicals inside, where even the peels of orange are from Seville in Spain, or the black grain has been used from Morocco. So coming back to our cocktails, I'm going to load the bottles. One by one, I'm going to show you what cocktails we are doing. I think the angle I will shift a bit so that it's visible to you. And you go the other way, center. So this will be our workspace, and I'll try to see on the camera and make it right here. So I hope that's fine. Now what we're going to do is, the first drink I'm doing is the classic, ever classic whiskey sour. And when I say whiskey sour, I'm talking about 1805, when Jerry Thomas, the father of bartending, made it in Savoy Hotel. So I'm going to be making the classic original 1805 from the golden era, a whiskey sour, where I'll be using small tin and a big tin, which is called a Boston shaker. So before we proceed, let me show you how to fix it or lock it. So normally, you lock it, one side is straight, aligned here, and the other one is diagonal, give a pressure. Now, there's a technique, and if you want to add a little style, just become Shah Rukh Khan, bend a little bit, give it a smile, and shake it nice. To open it, hold it. I will now tell you something about SARS. SARS was the first ever cocktail. The first ever cocktail was made in 1638 in India by the name Punch. Punch means Panch. East India Company, one of the colonels were here. He ordered a drink which was not very palatable, बहुत रफ होती थी, डिस्टिलेशन की एडवांस नहीं थी. उन्होंने कहा इसको पैलेटेबल बनाइए. तो जो उनके अर्दली होते थे, जो हिंदुस्तानी होते थे, उन्होंने 5 तत्वों से इसमें एक्वा मिलाया, जिसको पानी कहते हैं. दूसरा नंबर हुआ स्पिरिट, और बाकी तो 3 थी, 5 में से 2 ये हो गई. एक था सिट्रस, एक था स्वीट, एक था स्पाइस. इन 5 तत्वों को मिला के बना पंच. और ये 5 तत्वों का 1631 was the first cocktail ever in India. And then the word evolved, and 18th century से फिर cocktails बननी शुरू हुई. And the first cocktail was a sour, which was a brandy sour. But today we're making a whiskey sour. Now all sours are made in a similar way. Ratio is about sweet, citrus, and alcohol. So your sweet will be one portion, two portions will be citrus. तो जब हम 10 ml या 15 ml की बात करते हैं, 15 ml अगर मैं चीनी घोल लूँगा तो मैं 30 ml लूँगा डबल करके, 2 portions of citrus and 4 portions of alcohol. So automatically वो 60 ml alcohol हो जाएगी. Whether it's margarita, whether it's daiquiri, whether it's kamikaze, or whether it's whiskey sour, they all are sours and they made the same way. So one thing you got it is called a cheat sheet. 1:2:4. You always remember that the cocktail will never go wrong. I hope you got that, okay? Now, this cocktail is made in 2 methods. First is a dry shake, and then is a shake with the ice. Dry shake means bina baraf ke shake karna. So let's pour, as I said, 4 parts. So 15 into 4 is 60 ml, and that's what I'll be using. I got a jigger. इसको हम पैग मेजर भी बोलते हैं. नॉर्मली ये एक्सरसाइज द्वारा मिलता है, जो कि कंट्रोल होता है अगर आप एक रेस्टोरेंट में काम कर रहे हैं, वरना ये मार्केट में मिल जाते हैं जिसमें 30 ml एक साइड होगा, 60 ml एक साइड पे होगा. लेकिन ये सिर्फ नॉर्थ इंडिया की बात कर रहा हूँ. हर प्रदेश, हर प्रांत, हर कंट्री में ये मेजरमेंट्स अलग अलग हैं. कई जगह 20 ml और 40 ml का है, कई जगह स्पेशली लाइक इन कोलकाता और वेस्ट बंगाल, तो वहाँ पे रेशियो चलते हैं 25 और 50 के, और नॉर्थ इंडिया में चलते हैं 30 और 60 के. So before you get into bartending, make sure you read all the licenses, all the policies in every state. So here we take Jim Beam, that's 60 ml. And I love the sound of this liquid. I hope you guys can hear it too. So here we go, it goes into the glass. We're done with our Jim Beam. That's the American bourbon, matured in the age-charred oak barrels. And that gives it a little smokiness, but a lot of vanilla hints because of the wood. I'll be using the lime juice, which is citrus, so I'm using 30 ml here. And as I said, 1 portion of sweet, so 15 ml of sugar. Simple drink. This goes for washing because I got to be ready for the next drink. अक्सर बार्टेंडर्स यहाँ गलती करते हैं, जब वो इसको धोते नहीं है तो अगली ड्रिंक जो बना रहे होते हैं तो इन चीज़ों का फ्लेवर आ जाता है. स्पेशली चक्कू को धोना चाहिए और जिगर को धोना चाहिए. वेरी बेसिक्स, बट दैट डिफाइंस अ गुड ड्रिंक फ्रॉम अ बैड ड्रिंक. Now I got my ingredients here. I got something called egg white. Whiskey sour is made with egg white. Not all sour, but whiskey sour is made with egg white. और उसका रीज़न है, egg white आप लगभग इसमें 20 ml लेते हैं. So I got my jigger back now. और 20 ml क्यों लेते हैं? 20 ml लगभग 1 घंटे का egg white होता है. और egg white क्यों लेते हैं? Egg white is nothing else but protein, and you have to emulsify the protein. और कभी भी किसी बार्टेंडर को चूज करना हो तो सबसे पहली निशानी होती है या ब्लडी मेरी बनवाई है या विस्की सार. Somewhere you can break the protein. आपके विस्की सार में egg का फ्लेवर नहीं आएगा, hints of vanilla और citrus आएंगे, and that is very important. Now what we do is we do a dry shake. So I'm going to be putting it here. I got all the ingredients here. Now I got citrus and I got sweet, which will give refreshness. कभी भी हम नींबू पानी पिएंगे तो वो आपको एक refreshing drink बना के देगा. Same thing, we are making a drink refreshing. We are shaking it with egg white to break the protein, and we want to aerate it. हमने उसमें झाग डालनी है, bubbles डालने हैं, so that it can become fluffy and buttery and silky on your texture. So we hold that and shake it nicely. I wish I could show you. I should have spilled a little bit, but the reason being that's aerated. So if you come here, you'll have to look at it. You see the bubbles here. You close up, zoom your camera, the bubbles in this liquid. I'll wipe it, but please have a look. And I got a lot of shaking bubbles right here. So you can see that. Now I have to add ice to it. और उसका रीजन ये है कि एरेट इसलिए किया कि एक तो प्रोटीन तोड़ा है, वनीला फ्लेवर दिया है, and made it more fluffy. Now what happens is your protein has been broken down, and that was the whole reason. It's a very vigorous shake. Mostly SARS में पानी होगा इतना इस ड्रिंक में होगा, और सबसे ज़्यादा vigorous एक ड्रिंक है Ramos Fizz, which is made with gin. So that uses a vigorous shake. I've got a very frothy drink here, which I'll show it to you now. I put one ice cube. Normally एक या दो बहुत होती है. You don't want to dilute your drink. Now comes locking the drink. This is called Hawthorne strainer. ये particularly बनाइस के लिए है. To strain any particles which are big. And then this is called a 5 strainer or double strainer. Normally छन्नी की तरह दिखता है जो चाय की छन्नी होती है. Reason being जब आप शेक करते हैं herbs के साथ छोटे छिलके आ सकते हैं, बर्फ के साथ करेंगे छोटे टुकड़े आ सकते हैं और वो आपके एक्सपीरियंस में स्पॉइल कर सकते हैं. Let's pour it. You see a lot of froth is coming in. The drink is very frothy. ये कुछ मिनट के बाद सारी फ्रॉथ ऊपर आ जाएगी. And if you see, I got broken ice here, and I didn't want that in my drink. Now what I'm gonna do is, I got an orange here. I take a good nice peel, और इसे peeler कहते हैं, which looks like a razor. आप देखेंगे इस साइड पे पिप नहीं है, ये जो व्हाइट होता है इसे पिप कहते हैं. इससे आती है कड़वाहट. हमें सिर्फ संतरे के छिलके के ऑयल्स चाहिए, zest oils. So you turn it, give it a little shake, turn it around. ग्लास के आसपास लगाइए, और जब भी आप हाथ लगाएंगे नाक के पास ग्लास आएगा. ये playing for senses. विजुअली आपने देख लिया, एरोमेटिकली आना चाहिए और गार्निश में टेस्ट वाइज आना चाहिए. ये तो हो गया संतरे का छिलका. एक चीज और डलेगी जिसे हम कहते हैं bitters. These are aromatic Amritsar bitters which are from Tree land, and ये bitters बड़े concentrated होते हैं. They are made with infusing botanicals, and the best way to smell, never have it. It's a very high proof. So you take few drops, rub it in your hands, smell it, and suddenly I can smell cloves and cardamom and cinnamon. So now that's the right angle. So let me put few dashes here. All I have to do is give it a little turn, serve it to people, and you see the froth has come on top. Bring it closely, the froth has come on top, the drink is settled up, and that's how the drink is supposed to be. So there is the orange peel. I got aromatic smells of cloves, cinnamon, orange oils, and butteriness. So that was a whiskey star for you. Guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Before we move it, give me a thumbs up or write down awesome, OSM, in your chat box. So give me a thumbs up, cheer me up, and I'm going to be making a next drink for you, which is going to be very aromatic. So I'm waiting. All right, thank you. I'm sorry for you. Bring it on, guys, bring it on. You wanted more? Show me all those thumbs coming up. I love that. All right, see the interaction? I told you can see that. The way people are coming in. So show me all your love. I'm going to share more love with you. All right, next drink. Since you're showing me so much of love, it's still coming in. It's still coming in. There's a lot many. I think I'll count around 80, 90 thumbs up. Brilliant. You guys are motivating me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a very special drink. You might have heard about it, but I'm going to deviate it. So I'm going to make a green apple martini, which is called a Granny Smith martini. A Granny Smith martini, what I'll do is I'll be making vodka and apple puree, but I'm going to be smoking it. I'll smoke it live right here, and I'll smoke it twice. I'll change the flavor. I'll make it a very smoky one. I will smoke it with, let's say, I got an apple cider wood from USA. So they're very oaky. So it's an apple oak.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll be smoking my cocktail with this, and later on with a herb. So a little bit of drama with all the cells. Let me keep my counter, guys. And here we're going to be using Beluga. Trust me, all those thumbs up, guys. Have you been here? I would have given you a free shot of Beluga today. Oh, they shouted so much. I love it. I love it. What we'll be using with is, what I've done is, I've cut the core from between. I've cut the core from between, so the seeds are out. The corer is a tool like this. आपने घर में मम्मी को use करते हुए देखा होगा. So all I've done is just punched it uncheck it from the other side. That's how it comes. Bring it out, all your seeds out. And I've cut slices like this to make a garnish. I've not dipped it in lime juice, but if you want to make it a bit, dip it in lime juice, make it a bit more sour. These are sour apples, these are called Granny Smith. Now, a very small information. I live in London also, but Bharat mera desh hai. So I lived there, 200 साल गुरु ने राज किया, वो मेरी बारी है. It's for us Indians to go back and teach them a thing or two, because we are a land of spices. The first cocktail in the world was punch, given by us to the world. आपको एक फैक्ट और बताता हूँ before making a drink. आज से 5000 साल पहले, वैसे तो इजिप्शियंस ने 7000 साल पहले पहली लिकर बनाई थी. वो अब से 5000 साल पहले इंडिया में जब डायनेस्टीज होती थी, तक्षशिला और जो कि बिहार साइड में से थी, और आपके मौर्य डायनेस्टीज होती थी, तो उस टाइम पे जो डिस्टिलेशन इंडिया में होती थी या अल्कोहल बनती थी, उसको स्टोर करने के लिए एक बर्तन था, जिसका नाम था, बाद में बताऊंगा, पहले ड्रिंक का नाम बताते हैं, चावल से फूड से फर्मेंट करके बनती थी, उसका नाम था सूरा. ऐसी मदिरा और बहुत तरह की, बस सूरा से वर्ड निकला सुराही, और आपकी जनरेशन सुराही को जानती है. तो पुराने ज़माने में सूरा को स्टोर करने के लिए सुराही बनी थी. एंड दैट इज़ वाई आप सुराही में देखेंगे तो पतली एक नेक होती है. अगर आप लिकर और इंडियन मैथोलॉजी में जाएंगे, आपको सुर और असुर और मंथन और अमृत के बारे में बहुत कुछ पता चलेगा, और बहुत सारी कहानियाँ हैं. सो आई रिकमेंड गो एंड स्टडी अबाउट अल्कोहल, एंड यू गॉट टू बी प्राउड दैट इंडिया हैज गिवन अ लॉट टू द वर्ल्ड. It's not that we have not got our due, so it's our time to get our due back. So making this drink, I'll be using. So I'm using three things again: a sweetener, a lime, and spirit. 1:2:4 ratio अभी भी चलेगा, but now to balance the flavors, this green puri apple is a bit sour. तो आपको थोड़ा सा खटास यहाँ से लेना है और इसको रिड्यूस करना है, और मिठास इसकी थोड़ी सी कम हो गई तो इसका थोड़ी सी क्वांटिटी बढ़ाएंगे. तो बैलेंसिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बैलेंसिंग इज लाइक अ मैरिज और हार्मनी ऑफ फ्लेवर्स, अरोमास एंड प्रेजेंटेशन. सो नेवर मिस आउट ऑन दैट, बिकॉज एंड ऑफ द डे वी वांट टू वाव आवर गेस्ट्स. लाउड नहीं है मेरी आवाज़, वैसे शेर की तरह बोलता हूँ, लेकिन अभी भी शेर जिंदा है. डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. कमिंग बैक, लेट्स pour our ingredients. Let me make it in a shaker. This is a 3-piece shaker. It's called a cobbler, and इससे कहते हैं 3 piece. जो एक piece ये होता है, which is a cap. एक strainer होता है जो lock हो जाता है ऊपर से. Part number 2, so you can see the perforation. If I have to show you the perforations. So 1 part, 2 part, and 3 part. Normally ये stainless steel में आता है. Do not use a glass one till you are very very confident. Once you're confident, why I use a glass, I'll tell you. A guest can see his drink being made live, and he knows how many quantities you're pouring in. He can watch how much ice you're doing it, and even any colors or fragrances you're putting in. So that's an absolute delight for me. Even the art of making a cocktail is an experience. सिर्फ BMW खरीदने से experience नहीं मिलता, चलाने से मिलता है. So I'm going to be driving you through the experience of my BMW cocktail experience. So let's put some ice in it. Sorry guys, I have to bend down because ice is not on the level right here. We're doing the best we can. So you see, I poured the ice. Time to pour liquids. As I said, I will take a little sourness from green apple. So instead of 20, I'm going to be using 15. Or maybe a bit more, dash or two. A sweetness from here. So that's pure green apple puree. Time for vodka. So what I'm going to be doing is, this puree stuck in here. Now a sensible thing to do is, rather than turning around and letting some puree drip in, you use this twice, 30 ml, so that your puree is also mixed around the alcohol and goes in. There's no spoilage, there's no drainage, there's no dripping. So it makes a lot of simple tricks in bartending, which makes your bartending very easy. Now to learn more about flavors, while I'm making it, I'll tell you something. It's a green fruit. What else can go with it? A lot of green things can go. Cucumber can go with it, rosemary or melon, and you can use mint. So you can do a lot with this drink and make your own concoction, impress your friends, impress your families, or impress your bosses later on. So you always study about harmony of flavors and aromas. Very important. There we go. So आपने देखा all the ingredients are here, same ratios. I'm really happy. Bring this, lock. Time to become Shah Rukh Khan again. Put your thumb, put it back, put your fingers, and pose a little bit, and here we go. So that's the color you'll get of green apple drink. Now what I'm going to be doing is, I'm going to be taking a good, nice presentation tray. What I'm going to be doing is, I'm going to be taking a glass. Normally in a regular bar, I would be pre-chilling all the glasses in a chiller. It enhances your experience. I'm going to be using, they are used to pick up the garnish. That's it right here. Now I'm not putting any ice here. My drink is pretty chilled. I'm going to be giving you a different experience altogether. There we go. Looks pretty awesome, isn't it? If you like it, time to give me a victory sign. Come on, show me some more love. It's not over as yet, guys. It's not over as yet. Now we're gonna put a little drama here. So what I'm gonna do is, let me smoke it with rosemary. Apple and rosemary sauce is made normally in a European cuisine and is used to make. Thank you. Awesome. I love those comments. Thank you, guys. So what I'm going to be doing is, I've got a pizza here. I've got a dried up rosemary. ये rosemary आपको यूरोपियन वेजिटेबल शॉप से मिल जाएंगी जो हरियाणा में है, गुड़गांव में है या आसपास है. तो आपको बता दो, normally if you don't find it, give me a call. I'll help you out. I'll share my numbers later on with you. नहीं तो normally IN में vegetable shop है, Ahuja Vegetable Stores. For the past 30 years, he's been bringing all the imported fruits from me. They've been bringing the herbs, and you name it, the world is at your feet. It's just a call away. So what we're going to do is here, that's called a blowtorch. So I'm going to be blowtorching. Alright, another one candle later. I don't give up, trust me. जैसे अगरबत्ती जलाते हैं या धूप जलाते पूजा करते हैं, थोड़ा जलाइए. Let it be there, let it settle down. The room will be aromatic. Can you smell it, Atul?
Sure.
Yeah? Where's my chicken? Give me apple sauce. And all I'm going to do is just shove it in here. It looks nice. It's gone in. It's getting the aromas of rosemary, but drama will be baki here. So what are we going to do is, I'm going to tray here. I'm going to cover it up. I'm going to treat this cocktail like a simple smoke machine or smoker. It's got a pipe and a nozzle here which goes into this dome. So right there, there's a little switch here which is battery operated. इसको हटाते हैं और इसके अंदर मैंने एप्पल साइडर वुड डाली है जो आपको दिखाई थी, ये वाली. थोड़े से चिप्स डाले हैं, आपको दिखाई दे रहे होंगे. ये वाले वुड्स हैं. And what I'm going to do is, don't look at my thing. Look here. Something is happening here. I'm blowing it here, but something is happening here. So let it build on. You can see a cloud of apple wood happening here. Now, if I were to do it in front of a guest, I'm sure you guys are there getting wowed. The drink is not visible to you. I'm building up a cloud in a fist. It's all theater. And it's not only theater, it's aromas, flavors, again playing with that. It'll be a very smoked cocktail. So let's do that. Give you a little drama here. Pull out the nozzle and get your drink.
Now it's ready.
So it's not a normal green apple martini, it's a smoked green apple martini, smoked twice, one with rosemary, with herbal flavors, and incorporated with sweetness, and one is smoking it with wood. So जैसे तंदूर की रोटियां लगती हैं अच्छी, वैसे ये smoked cocktail looks very good. So here we go, second one is over. Now, you know, somebody came, a little birdie came and tweeted in my ears. They told me a story. And the story was that this gentleman who's come in here as a chief guest, maybe by the name, I think Sinha. All right, every Sinha, right? No, I got the name right. He's done his IFS. Guys, think about IFS के लिए कितनी पढ़ाई करनी पड़ती होगी, कितने साल. So, काफी साल पुरानी की हिस्ट्री है कि जब हमारा और जितने भी आपकी मैथमेटिशियंस, विद्वान, आर्ट, कल्चर, वो एरा था जो बहुत चलता था. ये इसलिए पता है कि मुझे हिस्ट्री से बहुत प्यार है. ये अभी पता चला कि इनका नाम सुना है, तो मैंने दो चीज़ को लिंक कर लिया. I'm playing a game here, which is good. I'm a smart guy, and that's what you need to be, a man of words. When you are at the bar, you catch one information, catch the other information, connect to, make a story out of it. We guys are storytellers. So let me something. Somebody told me a little story. A little birdie. His name was Shukla. He came and tweeted in my ears. He said, "The Sinha guy na, he loves his gin." I said, "All right, he loves his gin. Let's make some gin cocktails." So that's all about knowing your guest, your customer. Be very customer focused. Catch up the hints. Get to know what their tastes are, where they travel, and the world is watching you. So if you tell a good story, a great story, people love you for that. So let's do that. I'm going to be making 2 gin cocktails. Now that's going to be a bonus. I would love to make more, but time is a constraint. Well, enjoy these. I'm sharing the recipes with you. And if you want more recipes, I'm always there to help you. The reason being, when I started bartending, drinking was a social stigma. तब लोग पीने को बुरा मानते थे. पड़ोसी को बोलते थे, अगर राजू नाम होता, राजू सोनू के साथ मत खेलना क्योंकि सोनू के पापा शराब पीते हैं. Now, there's got nothing to do with Sonu and Raju. It was a social stigma. पीने को बुरा माना जाता था. But आज globalization के बाद, tourism बनने के बाद, people are interacting. The world is interacting. इसे social stigma अब नहीं माना जाता. The world has evolved. Yes, but don't drink nonsensely. Drink responsibly. Serve responsibly. That's what I would say. There's a reason why we call it dawa and daru. So if you consume it properly or let people consume properly, it will work like tonic for you. I would say go and study what alcohol does to your body. If you get to know, it's quite a serious matter. हम 4 दोस्त में अपनी दोस्तों के बीच में ईगो में बहुत कुछ बोल जाते हैं, but when you come to an age of 50, trust me, I'm 53. You won't be as young as me, that's for sure. You won't have as much energy. I work with alcohol. Alcohol doesn't work with me. That's the way it should be. So that's a very Juniper forward gin. This Juniper forward gin has got 10 botanicals, something like cassia, something like angelica roots or bark of other trees. Don't get intimidated by these names. ये जितने भी नाम आप पढ़ेंगे ना अपनी बुक्स में, एंजेलिका रूट और ये वो, अगर आप उसका हिंदी का वर्ड ढूंढेंगे तो आप हंसेंगे बहुत, क्योंकि ये सारी चीज़ें, ये सारे 10 बोटानिकल्स हमारे आईएनए मार्केट या किराने की दुकानों में मिलती हैं. कासिया इज नथिंग एल्स बट दालचीनी. पर जब हम सुनते हैं ना कासिया तो इंटिमिडेट हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि हमने सिनेमन तो सुना होता है, कासिया कभी नहीं सुना होता. सो डोंट मेक योर लैंग्वेज योर बैरियर. गो एंड रीड व्हाट इज इट कॉल्ड इन हिंदी. अगर आप एंजेलिका रूट या बाक ऑफ ट्रीज पढ़ेंगे तो आपको समझ आएगा ये सब हिंदी के वर्ड्स हैं. Alright guys, don't worry. Somebody forgot to switch off the music tone, so that was what's coming here. So I'll be using these 10 botanicals. You can go through your Google. जितने भी botanicals है बॉम्बे सफायर के, वो मैक्सिमम है. किसी भी जिन बनाने के तरीके भी बहुत हैं. लेकिन आप सारे botanicals को हिंदी नाम डालेंगे तो उसमें से एक चीज़ मोलेठी भी डलती है, इलायची भी डलती है, धनिया भी डलता है, जिसे सिलेंट्रो सीड्स कहते हैं. So cilantro is nothing else but coriander. या धनिया. So don't get intimidated by those words. Everything is available in India. We are a land of spices. India's got maximum spices in the world, followed by China, and then Far East like Korea and all that. We are also a land of flowers, and 90% flowers in India are edible. चाहे वो हिबिस्कस का प्लांट हो या आप सड़क के किनारे को फूल देखते हैं, every flower is edible. हमारी जड़ी बूटियां और साइंस वैदों की यहीं से निकली हैं. So if you read more about it, you'll get to know you can produce your own alcohol at home, but you need to get a license. Illegally, it's called moonshine. So let's get a gin drink. I'm going to be making पता है कैसे बनती है, but perfect gin tonic के लिए बहुत कुछ जानना जरूरी है. कितनी मात्रा में gin चाहिए, कितनी मात्रा में tonic चाहिए. So I'm making something called cucumber basil gin smash. So why the name smash? It's a style of a cocktail because you smash your leaves, and यहाँ पे मैं leaves use करूँगा. Basil. देसी तरीके से दिखा रहा हूँ. ये बेसिल है. इसकी भी बहुत वैरायटी मिलती है. इंडियन वैरायटी जो स्वीट होती है उसे हम राम तुलसी बोलते हैं. तुलसी की फैमिली से राम तुलसी बोलते हैं. दिस इज एक्चुअली राम तुलसी व्हाट आई एम यूजिंग. इट्स अ स्वीट बेसिल, but you get a lot of varieties. You get an English basil, you get a Thai basil, which is totally different. You get an Italian basil, which you normally use in pizzas, but India में वो नहीं होती. उगाई जा सकती है, but in humid conditions or where the rainfall is high, either in the hills or somewhere near Pune and Maharashtra. South में भी अच्छी उगेगी. The soil is very rich there. So what I'm going to be doing is, first let me work out for a garnish. So मैंने एक sprig ले लिया, which I'll use it as a garnish. Let's keep it aside. What I'm going to be doing is, so I've just taken a glass of water. I'm keeping the garnish aside. Always think about your garnish. It enhances the aroma. Now I'm going to be peeling some more leaves. और मैं leaves इसलिए कह रहा हूँ, आपको स्टॉक नहीं लेने. इस स्टॉक में बिटरनेस होती है. मोस्टली जो ऑयल्स अरोमा होंगे वो लीव्स में होंगे. जहाँ भी आप स्टॉक्स लेंगे उसके अंदर कड़वाहट भी होगी, क्लोरोफिल ज़्यादा होगी, कंसंट्रेटेड होगी. एंड yes, so if somebody has to smell it, you'll get the flavors, you'll get the aromas, but you'll get a bitterness also. We don't want that in our drink. छोटी छोटी बातें हैं, एक्सपीरियंस से सीखा. 30 साल का तजुर्बा, कुछ तो बात होगी मुझे. Give me another thumbs up now. It's the time to give me a thumbs up. All right? Or just write down awesome, pretty awesome. Bring it on. B-I-Y. B-Y-O. Bring it on. Okay? So let's muddle the drink now. Look, keep counting. The many coming in. Look, they're coming.
Yes, sir.
They love me. Everybody loves the bartender. Trust me. So I've just muddled few drinks directly into a tall glass. If you are a pro, thank you guys for showing all my love. Love you too. I love you too, guys. Thank you for watching me. So I would directly make in this, but if you're not used to it, because I use a muddler. This is called a muddler. Now muddler is a weighted wooden thing, but I'm using a polycarbonate because wood भी कई बार पुरानी रहती है, छिलका आ सकता है. And I've got a stainless steel incorporated here. So ये specially मैंने बनवाया था अपने लिए. Be innovative. A muddler is nothing else but a stick with a heavy weight because you need to muddle. आपने पुराने वैदों को पेसल के अंदर मडल करते हुए देखा होगा. आपने अपने मदर्स को सिलबट्टे पे काम करते हुए देखा होगा, वेट देके मसाला तोड़ना. तो हम यहाँ पे भी वही कर रहे हैं, पर मैं बहुत हल्का सा कर रहा हूँ. रीजन बीइंग, मेरे को पत्तों को ज़्यादा नहीं तोड़ना, कड़वाहट नहीं चाहिए. साथ में दूंगा खीरा. सो ये खीरा है. अब मैंने इसे पील कर रखा है एक साइड से, और पील करके क्या किया, मैंने थिन स्लाइस निकाला और उसको टेढ़ा मेढ़ा करके इसे ब्लॉक कर दिया एक साथ स्टिक में. It looks nice, it looks elegant. People can eat it when they want to do it. So think about innovative ways. सिर्फ स्लाइस डालने से नहीं, innovation से भी आप काफ़ी कुछ जीत सकते हैं. So what I'm going to be doing here, I'll chop some cucumber here. Just for the photograph, I'm showing you, I've taken some cucumber dices like this, chopping them, and now I'm muddling and extracting the cucumber juice. Simple techniques. Interesting. You want to sell? I want to just share this glass with a colleague. They can hear you. Give me your comments. They can hear you. They might not see you until you want to be. You get the aromas?
Very rich aroma, sir.
Very rich aromas. This guy is not lying. He's not paying me. I'm not paying him. He's just moderating for me. Yeah, rich aroma. And सर्दियों के लिए तो मैं नहीं कहूँगा, पर गर्मियों के लिए this is a brilliant drink. I'm making an alcoholic version. You can make it non-alcoholic. All you guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, you can impress your mamas, you can impress your papas by making a good, nice tonic at home. So all it needs is now a shot of gin, a little sugar, and lime. You can play with salt, you can play with other herbs. करी पत्ते से भी बन सकता है, मिंट से भी बन सकता है. So be innovative. आप आम और करी पत्ते से भी बना सकते हैं ड्रिंक. So आम लीजिए, करी पत्ता लीजिए, लेकिन साथ में डालिए थोड़ी मिर्ची और अदरक एंड ताहिन सॉल्ट. ताहिन सॉल्ट होता है, एक मिर्ची मिलती है आसाम में, भूत जलकिया. इट्स द स्पाइसिएस्ट मिर्ची ऑन अर्थ. उसको डिहाइड्रेट करके नमक और सिट्रिक एसिड डालेंगे, आपका मसाला तैयार है. कई बार आपने अमरूद खाए होंगे, मूली खाई होगी सड़क के किनारे ठंडी ठंडी, उस पर भी जो एक चाट मसाला और रॉक सॉल्ट मिलता है, उससे भी बना सकते हैं. सो बी क्रिएटिव एट होम. ऑल आई एम सेइंग इज, कोई भी रेसिपी किसी की जागीर नहीं है. It's all what you and me people create out of passion and love. End of the day, learn from your mothers. They pour or they cook something with the soul inside your food. They pour something with the soul inside your drink. So just do that. Every drink is a correct drink. With time, maybe flavors might not be balanced. You will learn that. But believe in yourself and make as many combinations as you can. कल घर पे वोडका लेके मैगी का पैकेट का मसाला खोल के you can try that. So मैगी मसाला, नींबू या अचार का थोड़ा सा मसाला and vodka. Shake it well and you have a Maggi martini. Simple recipes to use at home. Alok is already thinking आज घर जाके बनाऊंगा. All right. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm not using a peg measure. Now I'll be showing. I'll give you the recipe, but I'm giving you just a touch, and this touch is nothing else but around 12 to 13 ml of lime juice. I don't want it too limey. I'm using it with tonic and soda both. You want to make it more limey, you can. I'm going to 10 to 12 ml of sugar. I don't want it too sweet. Now you can alter these two things as per customer's choice. But we are making something like tonic, so we're making a basic this thing cordial here. I've got my ingredients here. I would have preferred to make this drink in this glass. So what I'm going to be doing is I will just quickly give it a good shake or a stir. Strain all the ingredients. I'll shake it, I'll strain it, but before I do that, what I'm going to do is I've shown you one style of garnish. Very quickly, I'll show you another one. You got cucumber? Okay. If you get a cucumber, a big cucumber, all you have to do is just shave a thin, nice slice, and you can stick slices around in your glasses like this. They get stuck. So you can do an entire spiral thing around it. It can work. All right, we got it here. We got it here. Let me show you. Why talk about it? Actions speak louder than words. So you can do the spiral way. Okay guys, time to strain again. Hotter strainer again, locking it. Place your finger right here and strain it. Now what I'm trying to tell you is what is the flavor here. इसमें sugar है, lime है, cucumber juice है, basil है. अभी ये नहीं है. Let's add that. depending on how much you want. I would say 50 ml is good enough, so I'm going to be using 30 and 20. Now what we need is a good nice tub. These are called bar spoons and you get out various sizes. सबसे हैरानी की बात यह है कि इसके अंदर twirls और ये twirls क्यों है उसका रीजन बताता हूँ. There's a way of holding it. Make a V of your fingers. Hold it like this, two in front and two out. Slide your thing and you turn it around. अगर ये twirls नहीं होते आप इसे turn around नहीं कर पाते. So there's a reason for it. So all my flavors are mixed now. Before I add a little tonic or a soda, here's a normal Savoy Indian lime tonic. And I'm adding a little soda. The tonic and lime juice and sugar can be quite flavorsome in your mouth. You want to dilute them, you don't want that much. So I'm adding half an hour. This makes a splash. I've got my drink ready. Do you remember this? We started with this. I showed you about that. Let's have it right here. Now, before we do that, let's just give a little aromas. The oils are released. So either I can throw it down or I can keep it here. Put a beautiful nice straw, give it a twirl. Your drink is ready right here. So I'll show you once again right here. Or let me put it right in. That looks cool. Does it look cool? Right, it looks cool. Write down cool there. But give me a cool with a K. K-O-O-L. I know it's C-O-O-L, but let's see how trendy you are. So K-O-O-L. Come on, let's see how many. I'm counting now, guys. Show me your love. Show me all the love you can show me, and I'm going to make you another cocktail. Amazing Hong Kong style gin and tonic. All right, I'm counting your love. Wow, nice. So people who are good with their fingers right here, you're going to be great bartenders. You can react fast, you can listen to me, you're answering and you're cheering me up. So let me cheer you up by giving you my personal email ID. If you have anything to do in catering college and learn about any subject, may it be port wines, which is a difficult subject. You want to learn about Pedro Ximenez, the Joaquin Angura, Muscatel, Pedro Ximenez. Right, that's what you teach? Pedro Ximenez, Muscatel, and yeah. So
Less than Palomino, Pedro Ximenez, Muscatel. Less than Palomino, Pedro
Palomino is Dabang. Now I'm sharing you a story. So it's a story about three Angur. They're like three brothers. I'll make it easy. Palomino is like Chaudhary, and he's got two meethe. You know what I mean? Meethe Angur. So ये दो मीठे हैं वो मस्कतल है and Pedro Ximenez है. So you get sweet wines from these two grapes and Chaudhary Sahib. Note down my email address. Keep your paper and pencil ready till I do my mise en place next drink. By the end of the session, that's the last drink on the menu. So after this, I'll give you my contact number and my email address. That's one way of marketing myself too. I'm a smart man. I'm 53. I've got another 25 years of bartending in me. So see you till 77. Alright guys, this glass looks like a red wine Bordeaux or Copa glass, C-O-P-A. The latest trend of gin tonic is in these big glasses. Yes, you got me right. These days are gone, gin tonic. These are in gin tonic. And you are doing a lot of flavors of gin, a lot of tonics. Let me tell you, India is a proud nation of, within last 2 years, we made around 7 to 8 Indian gins competing in the international market, greater than being one. Samsara, Perudo, Gin, Strangers and Sons. These are all Indian made gins. All the ingredients are locally sourced and they're coming out better than international gins. So all I'm trying to say is we had the ingredients, we had the know-how, now we're evolving and we'll be producing next by 325 by 2025 this industry will be 325 billion US dollars worth of company, which is just alcohol. All the alcohol companies know the potential of bartenders. So all you chefs out there, better watch out. The liquid chefs are coming in now. I have to promote. I'm an evangelist for bartending. Okay. Ingredients. I'm going to be showing you something here, something here, and here. So I'll show you what I'm using here. Anything I'm missing? Yeah, grapefruit. That's a grapefruit. Got some grapefruit slices. And I'll use cucumber. We have the sticks right here. Okay. And what else? Can I use anything else? I can use some edible flowers. You see the flowers there? I don't know how old are they, but they're edible. These flowers are edible. But I don't know how long they've been, so I won't use them. Orchids are edible. Hibiscuses are edible. So you see around you in nature, there's a lot that nature has given you. Use it, make organic cocktails. Don't go over artificial syrups or sweeteners. The world is changing. So here I'm using thyme. Thyme normally is used for continental cooking. Indian cooking, you need to use it very, very wisely. Very different smell, very herbal, very earthy notes. But more earthy than thyme is sage. So sage is used for differently purpose. Here I've dehydrated thyme. The small tiny leaves, very tiny leaves on a branch. Cucumber you have already seen. Grapefruit looks like an orange, but it's like this. It's bigger than orange. It's got a little bitterness in this flavor. These are Szechuan peppers. The actual Szechuan pink peppers, quite spicy in nature, but different from different peppers. So you get cayenne pepper, you get green pepper, bhut jalakia, habaneros, jalapeno. So all these are different peppers, but here I'm using Szechuan. And let me tell you, all you fellow bartenders, if you want to become good bartenders, you have to have equal knowledge of food as chefs do, because it's all about aromas and flavors. Then I'm using original English juniper berries. These are dried up. काली मिर्च से बड़े दिखते हैं. काली पेपरकॉर्न जो होते हैं उससे थोड़े से बड़े दिखते हैं. Normally जब सूखे नहीं होते उससे और थोड़े बड़े होते हैं, जैसे फालसे का दाना आता है, but purplish in color. So that's how big they are. And what I'm using here is, let me show you. I'm using a kaffir lime. और काफी लाइन का पत्ता आप बोलोगे ऐसी शेप कैसे, ये मैंने कैंची से काटे हैं. It looks more interesting. So you can add some flowers also. Now I'm making a drink called Hong Kong style gin and tonic, GNT. Why Hong Kong? You see a lot of aromatic, colorful things here. All these colorful things or aromatics reminds me of a place called Soho in Hong Kong. I was doing a guest chef. So Soho is on different levels, 7 levels of a mountain. The entire city is buzzing with bars. Malay people, Chinese people, local natives, Hong Kong or Macau or Indians or Brits. So Hong Kong was always a Brit colony and China is trying to undertake that. We don't get into political boundaries. What we're saying is, once you are a bartender, to be a storyteller, you need to know why you're doing a cocktail, what's inspiring you, what is the story behind it. So for me, Soho is a very toxic place at night, if I may say so. When I say toxic, people just go bursting every evening, getting into a bar from different cultures of the world and just going crazy with drinking and partying and socializing. And for me, it was such a beautiful thought to see people from all over the world mixing with each other beautifully. Nobody is judging anybody. Maybe Sri Lankan, Malay, Brit, American, Hong Kong, China. They were like one family. So I wanted to create a drink, and gin is a new whiskey these days. So I said, let me create a Soho in a glass. So that's why I used different flavors and colors, and I want to incorporate them beautifully in one aroma, one flavor, one glass. And that's why I made this drink. This is my own signature cocktail, which is quite popular. I've already been approached by a few liquor companies and tonic companies to sell this recipe as a signature. Trust me, nothing less than $5,000. Then they can have it, plus royalty. So that's how it works. You endorse products, you do influence marketing. As bartenders, I'm just not making cocktails, I'm giving you scope of career. Gyan Patiya se aur milta hai. And why I do all this, why I share my recipes? I have a vision,
I want to change 1 million people's life to attain financial freedom through bartending. I'm coming with a program which is online edutech, and you can get your bartending at the tip of your phone. It's going to be launching in the next 7 to 10 days. I'm just working out the loopholes. Why I'm doing that, there was nobody to teach us. And my legacy would be my knowledge being passed on. And every teacher or a guru becomes more successful when a student becomes bigger than him, much longer in height of achievements. So that's my aspiration, to make sure you guys take India forward. It's your time. But I've got another 25 years, I told you. Okay. Now for Hong Kong gin and tonic, since it's very toxic, as I said, so it's going to be potent. So the ratio of gin and tonic is 1:2. The tonic which I'm using here is grapefruit tonic. If you don't get a grapefruit tonic, you get grapefruit juice, squeeze it a bit. All you need to use is 15 to 20 ml and top it up with regular tonic. That's it. Be creative about these things. So let's start putting in first gin. Start off our drink, gin. So I'm going to be using a ratio of 1:2. So we're saying 60 ml of gin here. Bombay Sapphire, here we go. Now my gin is here, I would like it to have flavors. So what I'm going to be doing is few juniper berries, few Szechuan, maybe a bit more to make it spicy. Give it a nice turn. Okay. And lime leaves. And grapefruit slice. My gin is already looking so pretty. And a cucumber thing. You can use your own this thing, combinations, but make sure that they gel with gin. So I've got these ingredients in. All I need to in last is smoke it with thyme. So that's what I'll be doing it. To make it smoky, because I said the nights are very toxic and buzzing. So it's a pretty awesome smoky nights out there. If you get to go to Hong Kong, I'll tell you a few bars and international bartenders. One of the best bars is called Koa. It's only mezcal and tequila bar, owned by the top 10 best bartenders of the world. Jay Khan, who owns that bar, is a bartender and a very good friend of mine. So next time you're going there, let me know. I'll call him. Your drinks are taken care of at that bar. Isn't that awesome? So what I'm going to do is now 2 portions. So for your reference, I will add only 120 ml. Let's see the tonic. And some of you would like to taste it later on. Give it a good, nice, gentle stir. And while it's happening, let's take a twig of thyme. And let's torch it. This time we got a different aroma. Use the agarbatti, torch a little bit more. And just drop it in. And that makes sure. Lovely soho in a glass or a Hong Kong style gin and tonic. So 2 variations of gin. Last time I think some of you saw the elderflower one with chai. So chai gives you dryness. It's got riboflavins and tannin. So chai can go excellent with your gin. You can also add some lavender. You can add some elderflower. So there's a lot you can do with gin because it's spicy. So cheers, guys. That was the last drink, Hong Kong gin and tonic. Now you want my email address and phone number, right? I'll say it right now. So let's see if you want it. I'm waiting. 1. Okay.
creativity is on next level.
Next level, all right. All right, so that's a good combination. If we retained them so far, 300 out of 500, I think. Yeah, so that's a pretty good score. All right, guys, keep your papers and pen ready. I'm gonna be saying my email address and my phone number. Don't call me. Normally, I don't pick it up, but I will always respond back. Send me a message. My phone number is 981100. I repeat, 9811006904. I repeat once again, 9811006904. Just send me a message. I will not be able to pick up your phones. Normally somebody has my phone, but I get all the messages. By the 3 in the morning, I read all my messages. I always respond. It might take some time. Emails, I will respond within 24 hours. So I'm an email guy. SANDY, Sandy. SANDY, Sandy, that's dot Verma, VERMA. Sandy.Verma. So I'll repeat again. S for Simon, A for Alpha, N for Nigeria, D for Dandy, Y for Yacht or Yacht. Dot Verma, V for Victory, E for Echo, R for Romeo, M for Mother, and A for Alpha. So Sandy.Verma @Bar Wizard, BAR. Bombay, America, Russia, bar, BAR, WIZARD. W for a witch, not V. WIZARD.in. That's my email address. My website is barwizard.in, www.barwizard.in. So connect with me, write to me. I'll be more than happy to help you. I'd like to see a lot of rock stars coming from this batch. And I promise another thing. People who were in this seminar, they write to me and you link to me, I'm going to give you access to my free videos, which are my signature cocktails. Plus, I'm going to give you a regular course of at least 25% discount and something extra, something special. So thank you, Jai Hind. Enjoy your drinks. Cheers.